No.
Never!
No. Please.
Because here, no.
Please, just put it down there.
Jesus.
He shot me too. This is strange. Why am I dreaming about Lontana? Maybe because I thought about him last night. Hope he's fine wherever he is. I think I should go back to him. I'm beginning to love him. Ah, God. This is going to be difficult.
You're back. Welcome. Mama was right. What happened? He didn't regard me. And all my efforts while he was still at the hospital. I overheard him speaking with his mother. And he was just asking about the other woman.
See, listen, I don't want you to tell Mama. Inugo, don't let Mama know about this. She's going to be mad at you. Notwithstanding, I still have the belief that he will come back to you.
It's not possible.
Sis, I don't know how it's going to happen, but it will happen. Inugo,
I don't believe so.
don't cry. You're a strong girl. Why are you crying?
With what I saw today, sis, I don't think he will ever be mine.
He is yours and he will forever be yours. I don't want Mama to. Mama is inside. Let's go to your room. Pia. Packaging.
Mama is a fine girl. Here, oh. Hey!
Huh? Where are you coming from?
I like to first, please.
Like this. This is how madness used to start.
Oh, Mama.
I can see you. I can see you. So this is what you have to use your life into. You cannot see me. If you don't open your eyes like that, you cannot see me.
But because you say I'm joking, I'm not drinking anything like this. I'm not drinking anything.
Who's laughing with you? No, who is laughing with you?
Mama.
Have you seen your life? Have you seen how low you brought yourself?
Very sweet. And I'm going to leave it to the fullest. Mama, is this my room? Mama. Good night.
Chioma. Chioma! I've gone mad. Chioma. Chioma! Idiot! Shame on you. Shame! Hey!
Move it! Move! Now move! You don't move now. I'll do it. Lotana! Move! You are so going to regret this. I promise you! I'll move, no problem. Hold it!
Take it easy with him. Please.
What?
Eh?
What?
Let them leave him.
Let them leave who?
He is your brother.
He's a kidnapper.
This is wickedness. It's your blood. This is wickedness. It is your blood. Why do you do this? This is wickedness. Mercy. Lotana. Have a change of life. Lotana, why are you like this? Why are you this heartless? He is your blood, oh. He is your blood. The family issue can always settle this. I know I said we should involve the police, but I never wanted it this way. What kind of thing is this? You wanted to involve the police. Have you forgotten that now? And this is what I have been explaining to him. He refused to listen to me. Eh? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? That is the question that does not have an answer for now. I don't have an answer to it. We have to locate that police station. We have to. Our brother cannot be in there. We have to. What kind of thing is this?
Up till now, my daughter is still at the hospital. Does it mean she has abandoned her work to attend to someone who caused her heartbreak not long ago?
Mama, if you ask me, I will tell you there's nothing wrong with what Juto is doing. It means she loves her man. And we never can tell. Maybe from this now, the man will go back to her.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
Now listen. When my husband, your uncle, was alive, he warned me that I should of no reason allow her to make mistake.
She will not make a mistake. She will not make a mistake. Do you know my mother told me when she was alive that God blessed her brother with a good daughter? I see Juto as my role model. Juto is hardworking. She has a clean heart. She's a good woman. She's a responsible daughter.
Your mother was right. She was right.
Don't worry. Oh, I'm Nedro used to love, but your daughter will be fine.
I feel.
No, hey, Zibuzo, listen to me. I'm not joking with you. What's the meaning of this nonsense? What do you mean next month? Is that what you told me when I gave you the goods? Listen, I'm coming back to the city in 2 weeks' time. If you do not give me my money, you have a problem with me. What's your problem? Next week. Let your next week be next week. I'm not joking with you. I'm not in a good mood. Send my gig. No problem, next week. All right. Bye.
Lotanna, where is your brother?
I noticed that the house was becoming too hot for him. So as a loving elder brother, I decided to do him a favor. I checked him into a police station, very close to cell 2. Perhaps he should be in cell 1.
Mother, didn't I tell you? Lotanna, I remember telling you not to get the police involved in this.
Mother, please. What's all this? Someone chased me with 2 machetes. 2. He wanted to kill me. And then I took him to the police station to chill. Because that's mental case. Anyone who chases his brother with a machete is insane. Perhaps he shouldn't be in the police station. Maybe a psychiatric. How about that?
But Lotanna should have listened to Mom for once.
One more word from you. One more word from you. And you will join him there.
Lotanna, I am not happy with you for arresting your only blood brother. Now that you did that, what is your gain? What have you gained?
Breaking news. So he's my only brother. Oh, I totally forgot. When he was insulting me, did you remind him that I'm his only brother? Not just his only brother, his elder brother. Did you remind him? Did you tell him? For once, have you called him to remind him that I'm his only brother? When he was chasing me with 2 machetes, did you tell him I'm his only brother? When he's been insulting me in the whole of this village, did you remind him that I'm his only brother? And just when I decided to put him where he belongs, you remind me that I'm his only brother.
Listen carefully, Lotanna.
I'm listening.
If anything happens to Afonwa, I will kill myself and my blood will be on your head. Mark my words. It's a promise, not a threat. Idiot.
You heard her, brother Lotanna. You heard her. Do the right thing. Do the right thing.
Bring your boyfriend home. You don't have a man. You don't have a job. And the worst of it all, you don't even have sense. Go in.
What could this be? What could this be? We are fighting one man, not one. What could this be? What could this be? We should be brothers. No more fighting. No more making coming between.
Choma and Hangoleka left this house since yesterday. Both of them have formed the habit of sleeping outside. I don't even know their whereabouts. Okay, why didn't enjoy?
I saw someone here. Is anyone home? Oh, my neighbor! Hello? Is anyone home? Is anyone home?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ebere. How are you?
I am fine.
Is your father home?
No, he went out.
About Oledo, have you set eyes on her? Do you know where I can find her?
Honestly, I don't know. I've been asking people of her whereabouts, but no one seems to know. Do you know I was kidnapped because of her?
What? By who?
Honestly, I don't know them. They kept asking me of her whereabouts. And I don't know. I managed to escape. They almost killed me.
So you didn't recognize any face? You didn't see them?
No, I don't know them.
And you don't know where Oledo is?
I don't know where she is.
Hi.
Please just take it easy.
With all our strength, we hurt one another. Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. My brother, what could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another? What could this be? What could this be? We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. But here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another. Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. My brother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You recognize me?
Yes, I recognize you. You're the other day here.
Yes. Oh, okay. Please, you have an idea where I can find Oledo? I've been looking for her.
Where have you been? They've been looking for you everywhere.
Ike, please, I want you to do me a favor. Biko, don't tell anyone you saw me.
Huh?
Yes.
How will I? But okay, I will. But your people have been looking for you.
Ike, Biko, Nuna. Okay, see, you did not see me. I did not see you. You know, go. Agreed. Biko, Nuna.
But
Biko, Nunu. Biko.
Okay.
You don't know about my Biko.
Oh, okay, no problem. I need to know where she's going to. Okay, one day next year. Hey, so this is where she has been hiding, at her maternal home. And everybody now is in the village looking for her. Now, she's begging me not to tell anybody. Okay. So now, this is where you are.
What is it? Why are you eating? You're not talking.
I don't know her whereabouts. I don't know where she is. I'm just going to the farm.
I know, my mind tells me you know where she is. Help me, I've been looking for her.
Why do you see me as if I'm lying? Eh? If I know her whereabouts, I will let you know. I don't know where she is. Biko.
How about I give you 100,000?
Eh?
Yeah, 100,000 to tell me where she is.
Okay, so I will tell you where she is.
You know what, just 1 second.
I don't. Mama kwame nako. Ha, na mama kwame nako biko.
Alright, so it's not audio. A minute. Eh? Yeah. 100,000. Just tell me where I can find her.
No, I know where she is now. No, I'll tell you.
You do?
Yes, I'll tell you where she is. No, I know. Let me go.
No, you're not talking with the cutlass.
Oh, yes. Yeah, okay,
Olido, listen to me. I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake that I made. Yes. He has to be the one to prove that he loves you by looking for you.
How will I do that?
Yes, it's very simple. He should keep searching until he finds you. That way, he proves himself. Yes. What are you thinking about?
Nothing. It's just that he would never find me no matter how hard he tries.
Then it's fine. Forget about him. He's not meant for you. Because if he is and he loves you, he will find you. Okay? Just forget about him and do what you're doing. I'm hungry.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's fine.
Hi. What do I do now? I know he must be searching for me. What if he gives up after trying and couldn't get me? I love him. What have I done to prove that? Hi. This relationship no balance at all. What do I do? Should I go to him? Or should just sit here and do nothing?
He's trying to set me up.
I thought I heard someone's voice.
even a sound of car. Maybe not here, Sha.
Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? What? Who paid you to set me up? Who paid you?
How? I don't understand.
You don't understand? Where is she? Wait. You haven't heard the last of me.
I took you to the house.
Wait. All of a sudden, you can't talk. I have really done my best trying to locate Oledo. I wanted to help her out of her condition, but it seems she doesn't want it. I have to go back to duty. She was there for me all through my stay at the hospital. I think she is the one meant for me. Oh God, help me.
Lotanna, when are you going to the police station to bail your brother? I'm asking you.
Mother, I'm not just going to bail my brother from the police station. I also want to make peace with him. First thing tomorrow, I'll go to the police station with my lawyer to bail him.
Can you just be serious for once? I'm not joking.
Mother, look at me. Does it look like I am joking? First thing tomorrow, I'll go to the police station with my lawyer. I'll bring back my brother. I'm sorry.
Thank you, my son. Thank you. God will bless you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Udoka!
sorry. I'm sorry for all the pains I've caused you. I'm terribly sorry, brother.
It's all right.
I'm glad you're back. I'm happy to see you. It shows you are a man of integrity.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
We should all go inside.
Yeah.
Look at you. You have been in this condition for the past 2 days. I've asked you to go to the doctor and you refused. Because you are afraid of the kind of disease you would have contracted due to your present lifestyle. Look at what you have reduced yourself to. Am I the one coughing? Where is your sister? It's 3 days now she left this house. No one knows her whereabouts. Mom, if we're egwu abwasia egwu ngidi egwu abia abwasia ya onanu ukwu. I've lived my life. The ball now is your court to play well. Oroma ebata ball off ma elacho oroma. See your life. Am I the one coughing? Your kidney is coming out. Your liver is coming out. Continue. Continue. When you're done, I'm inside. No problem.
Tina's number has been switched off. I've been trying to call her over the phone to inform her about our visit.
Well, I don't think you should do that. It is better we catch them unawares. What do you think?
You think that's the best?
Well, I think that's the best. Chiduta called me this evening. I did not pick. I don't want her to see the surprise coming. You know, tomorrow we'll just boom. I think that will work.
Well, if you say so, I trust your judgment.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
I shoot. Please.
quiet. Get your feet.
I'm laughing. Please don't shoot.
Hey, get up. This way.
Please don't shoot. Please.
Quiet.
So, how did it go?
Well, Mother, the police arrested a man named Otto. He happens to be Tina's ex. He sent the men that tried to assassinate Philmond.
I thank you, God.
He sent the assassins that shot me. He mistook me for Philmond.
Are you serious? Hey,
God has exposed him.
honestly, God has exposed him. His cup is filled up. Ikoya Jugo. Honestly, his cup is filled up.
Yeah?
Please, take a look at this picture. If you can recognize her. Hey!
One Tina Okoro arrested over alleged kidnap of Ebere Obidike.
Ebere Obidike?
That's what the headline says. Take a look. Take a look. That's what the headline says.
And who is Tina Okoro?
My fiancée. The lady I brought here for you to see the other time.
Huh?
Well, the story was that she contracted some men who kidnapped the said Ebere, whom she wanted to use to locate Oredo. But guess what? Ebere later escaped. This provoked Tina, which made her to withhold their money until they bring back the said Ebere. One day they were harassing Tina on the road, and then police picked them up.
Can you imagine? Tina!
Wonders will never end. I thank God you did not succeed in marrying her. Because she is a criminal. Only I can carry water as my daughter-in-law. Hey! God, I thank you. Highway girl. Kakare butaram.
Mama say so.
Hey, I will miss you, Duto. I'll miss you.
Call us when you get to the city.
I will, Mama.
Don't forget.
I will. Okay. I know Oledo here will take good care of you. Yes, don't worry, I'll come and see you.
My own is that I will come to the city and visit you.
Of course. Nobody's dragging it with you. Nobody. I want you to come to the city and enjoy with me.
I'll miss you, Sha. All this small money you're dashing me.
Don't worry, I'll open an account for you. Oledo, that's my fiancé and his younger brother.
Oledo! Are they here to take you to the city?
I don't know what they're here for.
Something is wrong. So this is the man you've been talking to me about?
Yes, he's the one.
There's a problem?
Ola, no, there is no problem. Ola!
Ola, wait!
Mama, what is going on? How does she know Lutana and Afoma?
I should be asking you.
Mama, let it not be what I'm thinking about. Let it better not be what I'm thinking.
Hey!
Where is she? Hey! You see what you've got again?
Huh? Are you pushing me?
Yes! You made her run!
If you touch me again, I'll break your head.
You made her run!
I'll break your head. I made who run?
She was just here!
She was just where?
Where is she?
You're asking me. You, where is she? Oledo! Oledo!
How come?
Oledo!
Wrong way. I'm sure she took that way. Ola!
Afoma. What is it? Lutana, what happened? What is the problem?
Never.
What is he talking about? Hey,
Honestly, I don't know what the problem is. I came out and met them here. They were sitting as if something happened without talking to each other. And when I asked what the problem is, none of them responded to me.
My lovely sister Biko, I beg you in the name of God. I didn't know he's the same person you were telling me about. I've known him for some time now. He was even fighting with his brother because of me. That was why I ran away.
So, it's you. It's been you all this while, Oledo. Hey! You are the village girl that's been causing me so much pain. So you have been the one causing all these problems, Oledo. I should have known. I should have known that you were the snake. You are the snake. That is what you are.
No, Duta. I'm not a snake. You never mentioned his name. I didn't know he's the same man you were telling me about. Ezioku, Mama, please.
You didn't know? How would you know? I ask you, how would you know? All you do is to put up a charade, pretending to be the nice person. Is that not what you do? Oh. That is what you've been doing. Oledo, I should have known that you have been the person behind all this.
I'm sorry.
This is what you have to say, Oledo. 3 years. 3 years of hard work. 3 years of my relationship, my love, everything. And you stand here to tell me that you don't know. You know what is good for you? I want you to leave my father's house now. And I don't ever want to see you again in my life. Get out!
Mama Biko.
How do they know that you were here?
Mama, I don't know. Maybe they came to see Duto before they now saw me here.
Would you close your mouth? I said get out! Oledo, if I ever see you anywhere close to my father's house, I will make sure you are dead.
Chi?
Oledo, you're very lucky you're my cousin. I would have killed, I would have strangled you by now. Let me alone, Mama. Don't tell me anything. Don't you even try to tell me anything.
Chichi, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my!
Sobu, I want them to stay away from me. Please, no. I appreciate everything you've done for me. God knows I'm innocent. Please, I didn't know. I'm sorry. You know I love you so much. I'm sorry. I cannot hurt you intentionally. I can't joke more.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness.
I'm sorry. I'm leaving now. I did not bring anything when I was coming here. I don't want to take anything. But before I leave, I would also want to beg you for one thing. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I love you, Chidioto. I love you because you're my sister. I love you because you're so good to me. You're worthy of emulation. I love you so much. I appreciate everything you've done for me. And I'm never going to take them for granted. But I want to tell you one thing. It was not intentional. I never knew he was the same man you were telling me about all this while. Because I cannot hurt you. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't like seeing you like this, but I don't know. My prayer for you is that he will come back to you. He will love you. He will appreciate you and treat you right. I also want to make a promise. I will never, ever go close to him again. Oledo. Oledo, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I should be the one saying that. I'm sorry too. I love you so much. I'm sorry. I know it's not your fault. Please don't go. Don't go. What's the problem? I think he's here for you.
No, I know he's here for you.
No.
I will leave you two to talk.
No, you're not going anywhere. It's okay.
I'm sorry. Am I wrong here? I wish I could turn back the hands of time. Please. Find it in your heart to forgive me. I regret all my actions. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Lotachuku, you are sorry. Who would have known that the same person you abandoned me for is none other but my cousin, my sister, my blood. Lutana, you stand here to say you're sorry. You made me a laughing stock in this village. You made people see me like nothing. You broke me. You broke me, Lutana. And you stand here to say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Lutana, you're wicked. You're very, very stupid to think I will forgive you. I will never forgive you. And you know what is good for you? I beg you in the name of God, please, leave my father's house. Leave.
Biko, Juto, my sister, I beg you in the name of God. He's sincerely sorry for all the pains he has caused you. Oh, I know that's why he's here. Please forgive him. Please, don't harden your heart. Biko, forgive him. Oh.
Gigi. Forgive him.
He's sorry. Please, please.
Find it in your heart to forgive me. I regret my actions, I swear.
Chiduto, please. Chiduto, you have been a very nice and caring lady. Please forgive my brother. He has realized his mistake and he truly misses you. Please. Please forgive him. Make him whole again and take him back, please. Chiduto, I'm on my knees. Please. Please. Please take him back. Please.
Forgive him. Please, please.
that not the same girl that has been causing problems between my kids?
Yes, she is.
Mother!
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Mother, how are you?
I'm fine. Please, can someone tell me what is going on here?
Well, Mother, it's simple. Apu and I have decided to make peace. Oledo is truly for him. And so, I went back to the love of my life.
Wow.
Mother, he's telling the truth. Oledo is now my wife-to-be.
Just like she is my wife-to-be.
Wow, what a great combination. You too. Wow.
Come on. Oh,
So,
Thank you, ma.
no more cutlass.
Cross, brother. No more fighting.
No more ninja.
We now have our happily ever after.
Yes, we do.
Hola,
my sons. Come on.
Mother.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
So, instead of standing here and expressing how happy we are, can we proceed inside for some celebration?
Of course, brother.
Please, inside. No more ninja. No more ninja. No more cutlass.
Oh God, I thank you. I thank you for reuniting my children, my family. But I told you.
Yes,
I told you that my God will fix it all, and it has happened.
And he has done it. Okay, thank you. Now let's go inside. Inside.
From one problem to the other, I'm beginning a messy. Make a one beginning a messy. Come join. From one problem to the other. Why is everyone hating me? Why am I always shedding tears? No moment of joy. Every day is full of sorrow. I'm Batala mo senye maka Obugini ne mesio Kedipele Wamo obugini ne mesio Wama diziche no kamjo From one problem to the other Obugini ne mesio Miko wamo Come join. From one problem to the other. Why is everyone hating me? Why am I always shedding tears? No moment of joy. Every day is full of sorrow. I'm Batala mo senye maka